most merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Kabir from class 5th. I am going to tell about Islam and terrorism. Honorable Chief Guest, before discussing about Islam and terrorism, I want to tell about what is terrorism. Honorable Chief Guest, terrorism is a condition which people forget the norms of religions and castes. They just have a target only. They will purpose. They never different between good or evil. It results in the minds. They don't result in the minds. In short, we can say that the opposite of peace of terrorism. Dear fellows, now thought in which growing in the minds of non-Muslims and Muslims are terrorists. If people think that Muslims are terrorists, then why can't say whosoever is a human being without any reason? It is as though as kill all the mankind. In Peshawar accident, showed their cruelty on children. So I want to ask the European countries, especially America, that they are Muslim, can a Muslim kill the children after the teaching of Islam? No, never. Islam is a religion of blood, peace, mercy, and brotherhood. I end my speech with these beautiful words. क्या कार्य बनूं सोच फरामोश रहूं, क्या कार्य बनूं सोच फरामोश रहूं, फिक्र फरदा न करूं मैं पे गमे दोष रहूं, फिक्र फरदा न करूं मैं पे गमे